Well, plants are in the ground, but it's looking like it's going to get a little bit colder. Down to 29 in a couple days at nighttime. So we're going to cover them up. There it is. Should keep us nice and warm. Those are safe. Raspberries looking great. Yeah, squash might get a bucket over it. Peas are gonna keep on doing what they're doing. Well, this tomato didn't make it. Raspberries look good. Look at those strawberries. Couple potato sprouts coming up in there. 2 new raspberries. We'll cover those up if it gets that cold. Pumpkin. These new daylily transplants look good. Rhubarb. A little sunflower. I planted asparagus here. I'm thinking that's what this is. Does that look like asparagus to you? I think it is. Planted the root. More daylilies. Blueberry. More lilies. Lettuce bed still doing good.